Hello, children. Good morning. Hope you are enjoying your studies. Well, till the time in our session, we have discussed about noun and different kinds of noun. We have learned till the time proper and common nouns and what is the difference between the proper and common nouns. And thereafter, we have learned about collective nouns. What were the collective nouns? So, and you have done their exercises also. And you showed me on the work group also. That's pretty good. Now today I am going to teach you something as another kind of noun. So before I start, let me show you some sentences. You can see in your screen. You can see in your screen here. There are certain sentences. I am afraid of darkness. And darkness is underlined, and then the next sentence it is honesty is the best policy. And then there is another sentence, knowledge is power. You can see. And now see these underlined words, darkness, honesty, knowledge, and the next sentence, the intelligence of the girl surprised the villagers, and this poverty is a curse. So you see these underlined words. These underlined words, you can see this darkness and this honesty, isn't it? And this knowledge. Okay, we have read about the nouns. Okay, and noun is the name of any person, place, or thing. So can you tell me what is this darkness? Darkness is a person? No, darkness is not a person. Darkness is a place? Darkness is not a place. Darkness is a thing? I don't think darkness is a thing. Darkness is not a thing even. Darkness is an animal? No, it's not an animal. So darkness is what? Darkness is something that we can feel only. It's not a thing. It's an absence of light. When there is no light, it becomes dark. Darkness, we can feel it only. We can't touch the darkness. Okay, when it is dark, it is dark. In the same way, honesty. Honesty is a person? No. Nobody can say honesty is a person. Honesty is a thing? No, honesty is not a thing. But we know honesty is something. There are honest person. This is a quality of honest person. Okay, so this is called honesty. We know about it. Okay, so we only can feel and we can understand it that honesty is something, but it is not a person, it is not a thing, it is not an animal, but it is something. We know about it. And another thing is knowledge. Everybody knows knowledge. Knowledge, everybody knows knowledge. Knowledge is very important. No, everybody knows knowledge is power. The sentence says the one who has knowledge is powerful. Knowledge has the biggest power. So knowledge is a person? No, knowledge is not a person. Knowledge is a thing. Book may be a thing, pen may be a thing. Okay, but knowledge is not a thing. Knowledge is something we can feel only. If someone is having the knowledge of how to multiply, how to divide, how to make sentences, how to give the answers, so this is only knowledge. We know that there is a knowledge in some student or in some teacher has very good knowledge, but we know only, but we can't we can understand it, but knowledge in basically it is not a thing. We can feel it only. So these kind of things that we can only feel. Okay, these kind of nouns that we can only feel, these kind of nouns are known as what? These kind of nouns, they are what? They are known as abstract nouns. This is our today's topic, abstract nouns. So the nouns that are feeling, that we can feel, okay, that we can feel, or that we can understand, we can feel. these are called abstract nouns. They may be feelings, they may be qualities, or they may be some ideas. For example, if you see uh, and another quality of these noun abstract nouns, it is we can't see or touch them. We can feel and we can understand, but we can't touch them. This is what the quality of the abstract nouns, that we can feel them, okay, but we can't touch them. Okay, for example, if you see knowledge, we feel but we can't touch. Where is the knowledge? You will touch your head. It is not knowledge. Maybe knowledge is something that is there, okay, but it can't be touched. For example, if you see some more examples, I would like to tell you that for example, if you see there are certain more examples. If you see happiness, somebody is happy, then the noun is happiness. Happiness, we can feel this is happiness, but happiness is not a person, happiness is not a thing. Okay, we can't touch happiness. We can feel that someone is happy or someone is sad, okay, but we can't, the happiness is not a physically, this is something that we can understand only. Honesty, truth, truth in itself, we know what is truth, okay, but truth is not a person, truth is not a thing, but we know truth is something. So this we can understand only. So things that we can understand only, we can feel. Okay, so here from here we can say that the nouns which we can feel and we can understand, but we can't touch or see them, they are known as abstract nouns. I hope it is clear to you. If there is any kind of doubt, then you can ask in the doubt session. All right, and you can solve certain exercises that are given pertaining to this in your book, grammar book. You can see here, you can see this is an exercise number 6. Match these words with some abstract nouns, and here this is what are the advice. So the abstract noun will become advice, advice. If it is there, you can see here it is, advice is there. Okay, you can see the advice here, this is the advice, you can see. Okay, these are this you can match. Okay, and then the live the abstract noun, it would be life, and know is the verb, and we can make the abstract noun knowledge. Knowledge is there anywhere? Yes, here it is, knowledge. So in this way you can do this exercise, and for doing these exercises, okay, you can take the help of the help box there. This help box in your book, you can see these are the suffixes, and that these are the abstract nouns. You can see these are the suffixes and these are the abstract nouns. This you need to see carefully, and if you possible, you can learn them also, like words ending in ness, like softness, happiness, kindness, laziness, cheapness. These all are abstract nouns. Okay, and in the same way, if you see ion, if some word is made with this ion, okay, so then also you can see if there is something like ion, then like react is a word there, react, and you want to make an abstract noun, then reaction, adding ion, you will get the abstract noun, reaction, rejection, celebration, information. There is a word inform, if you add in ion, information. Okay, So in this way, these all are abstract nouns. You can see by adding by. Brave, you are adding ry, bravery. Okay, and jealous, jealousy. Honest, honesty. Safe, safety. Unit, unity. Okay, is in the same way. Meant, punishment, enjoyment. All these are abstract nouns. So to this table you study pretty well. Okay, and it will help you in solving the in making the when there is an exercise related to this, make abstract nouns by adding suitable suffixes. So you need to understand that what we add for friend, what is added in the friend, we add friendship, you can see here. Okay, we can't write friend meant. Okay, we need to write friendship. This you keep in mind. That's why this table is important. We can't write punishship. We can write only punishment. And so how it will be how it will be clear? This table will make it clear. So you need to go through this table very very carefully. Okay, because you can't say softment. You can't say softment. Soft will take ness only. Softness. Okay, so you need to go through it, that what which suffix will be added along with which word. So this table is very important for you to learn to make abstract nouns. If you go through it carefully and you understand it, then there is no doubt that you will solve all the exercises related to the making of abstract nouns by the verbs or the or adjectives or something else. You can do that pretty well. Okay, so this table is very important. It is given in your book, grammar book. Okay, so you can go through this. All right, and then it will clear all your exercises. Okay, so now I hope everything is clear to you in abstract nouns. So now you can go through the exercises given, and you can solve the exercises. And if there is a doubt, you can ask in the doubt session on the Google Meet. Okay, thank you.